guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's my husband's birthday weekend, so it's Saturday. It's not yet his birthday, but we're gonna go, hang out, just spend time with each other, which we've been trying to do a lot lately. So yeah, so if you want to see what Luca creates, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. So let us jump in the palette. So this is an M518 from Morphe. I'm gonna go into this shade right here, which is like literally the only matte shade in the palette. And I'm just gonna put it like right here. I mean, I know it's gonna be pigmented, like that's a no-brainer pretty much. Like you don't even need to ask if anything from pat is gonna be pigmented. Still feel like my camera needs to be like readjusted, because so if I look at my eye in the mirror right here, my shadow is really dark, but when I look at it up here, it is not as dark. So I need to, well, when I say I mean my husband needs to play my husband needs to play with it and fix it. He is gonna fix it, because I am not. I am technical, kind of. It depends. If it comes, like if it's your phone, I'm pretty technical in this, but when it comes to like cameras and stuff, no. It's definitely not my thing. But he's so good. My baby is so smart though. So. Very, very intelligent young man. That's why I marry him. Well, that's not the only reason, but that's definitely one of the reasons. I mean, we're gonna have to come through with a bold lip today, because this eye is not eyeing. I mean, is this blending? Of course, it's Pat McGrath. It is gonna blend, but I feel like I need more bold shades in my life. That makes me happy. So I'm gonna use this blush. This is from Crown. It's a C511, and I think I'm gonna go into. Oh, they do have names actually. So the shade I went into is called Plum Eclipse, and now I'm gonna go into Mahogany Angel. Oh no. The one in the center is gonna be Coral Kiss, which is this shade right here. And we're gonna go, I'm not gonna go with any glue. I'm just gonna put this right here. And then I'm gonna take a Y208 and we're gonna go into this shade right here, which is called Mahogany Angel, and we're just gonna blend the two together. Like right here. I mean, is this a life-changing look? No. Anybody can do this. Like, this is so easy. So easy. And then, so we do have liner. I think I can use this liner to tight line, maybe. Let's see. This is the line I got in my boxy charm, and this is from KVD, and this shade is Pyrolusite Brown 20. Yeah. I mean, it's there. But yeah. So that's it for this eye. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back, and let's talk about this foundation. This top is like a medium and it's like falling here. So this Miss Ulta Beauty Adjustable Coverage Foundation. I'm gonna use this primer that I got in my boxy charm, and this is the Alchemist Biological Beauty Anti-Pollution Primer. It's just a lot. Like that was like quite a mouthful. Oh, I have this brush. So this is from Wireless, and that came in my boxy charm. So let us go. So this right now, this is not. This is dry. I mean, can you tell the difference? So this side has no. This side has no foundation, and then this side has foundation. Let's do some concealer from one side, just a little bit. Because I need concealer. I'm not gonna like put it, well, maybe here, just a little bit here. I have a little like here. I don't know. I feel like I would almost like this as a like, if I already have a foundation, like a liquid or cream foundation that's giving me like a lot of coverage. I feel like I could put that over top to give me some kind of coverage, but apart from that, like I don't. Which is the same thing I'm gonna do for the Juvia's Place one. But apart from that, this foundation's like, it's for the burns. This is literally just like not the business. It's like absolutely not. So your girl is not gonna cut this off because my last experience was not great with that. We're just gonna use it as is. This is my Huda Beauty powder. Which shade is this one? Banana Bread. And I think for the rest of my face, I'm still gonna set this like, I'm not really setting, I'm literally giving more coverage. Cause so this is from MAC, and it is just a blotting powder. So I'm hoping to get like a little bit, okay, nothing crazy, just a little bit more coverage. Okay, so we're gonna do the impossible, or something that we shouldn't do. Not the impossible, but it's against the makeup rule. So I'm actually gonna use this, but this is a cream, and I'm gonna put it over top here. Like somebody should stop me, like no, but we're just gonna go for it, right? Like I don't think this face look can get any worse, so for bronzer, I'm gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury bronzer in number 3, which is Tandore, and I am using this blush, Real Techniques, and does it have a number? Yes, 003. But I actually got this from Marshalls. I think it was a set of 2 for like $5. I look like a raccoon.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna put some primer so I can like put a little eyeshadow under my lid, on my waterline, sorry, like right here. I think I'll be staying away from powder foundation for a minute. So we're gonna just go into that brown. We're gonna go into this shade, which is I think Naked Bronze, which is this shade right here, and I'm just gonna like bring it down like here. And then just bring it like right here. This palette, it's okay. It is life-changing? No. Nope. And I'm just gonna use that brown shadow from KVD, which I used to tightline my waterline. And again, I'm pretty sure I'm pronouncing this word wrong. It's like Pyrolusite brown or Pyrolusite brown, something like that. And then I'm gonna use this La Playa highlighter from Allure Cosmetics. And this is just a fun brush, but you can use any brush for this. Wear my Bottega dupes that I got from Etsy, you know. It may look like I'm always drinking, but I promise I don't always drink. I drink, but not all the time. But I feel like every time I'm on here, I'm like, drink. I want you guys to be like, man, this girl is an alcoholic. Okay. I had to watch and see what's in here that I can work with. So I'm going to use this liner. This is 14 Wine from Estee Lauder, which needs to sharpen. Definitely to sharpen this. I don't like this face look, man, but you know what? It is what it is. It is what it is. And then let's line the lip. I'm gonna use this brush from Lunar Beauty, and I'm gonna go into, I don't mix a couple of shades, I think, but at first I'm gonna go into this shade right here, right here. I don't like this, is not dark enough. And I think I'm gonna go into this shade right here and put it in the center. Okay, let's just put some Fix It from MAC. Whew. And just done with this. Okay, so this is the final look. I actually really like how everything looked. Simple look, a little red lip, you know, nothing too crazy. But usually that's when you can kind of get away with like a bolder lip if your eyes is not as bold. That's my thing. But sometimes I do bold eyes and bold lips. So it just depends on how I'm feeling. Today, I'm feeling for a bold lip, which is most of the time. So yeah, so that's it guys for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.